Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled What is AI and ML? Your first steps as an AI developer. Hello developers and future innovators. I'm Chaitanya. And this is AI for Developers. If you're curious about AI and ML but feel intimidated, you're in the right place. We're going to demystify these powerful technologies. Think of AI as teaching a computer to be smart. And in this lesson, we'll take our very first steps together to understand what that truly means from a developer's perspective. At its core, artificial intelligence, AI, is about making computers think or act like humans. It's not just about robots taking over the world. AI is any technique that enables computers to mimic human intelligence. Whether it's understanding language, recognizing images, or solving complex problems traditionally. As developers, we write explicit rules, like, if X, then Y. AI aims for a system that can figure out X and Y on its own, solving problems that are too complex for explicit rule-based programming. As developers, we're used to giving computers precise instructions. If user underscore clicks underscore button, then do underscore action underscore Z. This works great for predictable tasks. But what if the rules are incredibly complex, constantly changing, or unknown? How do you write rules for, is this a cat? Or, what's the best move in chess? That's where AI truly shines. Instead of telling the computer every single rule, we want it to learn the rules itself. This desire for learning leads us directly to machine learning. Machine learning, ML, is a specific and powerful subset of AI. It's the core idea of teaching computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Think of it like teaching a child. You don't give them a giant rulebook on how to identify a cat. You show them many examples of cats and non-cats. And eventually, they learn to recognize a cat on their own. As a developer, instead of writing if features equals whiskers and pointy underscore ears, then cat, you feed an ML model thousands of cat and dog pictures, and it discovers the distinguishing features itself. This learning results in a model that can make predictions or decisions. It's common to hear AI and ML used interchangeably. But there's an important distinction. AI is the broad goal, creating intelligent machines. Machine learning is a way to achieve that goal, a very effective set of techniques and algorithms that allow computers to learn from data. So, while all machine learning is artificial intelligence, not all artificial intelligence is machine learning. Some older AI systems relied purely on complex rule-based logic. Today, when developers talk about building AI, they are almost always referring to using machine learning techniques. As a developer, understanding AI and ML isn't just a trendy skill. It's a superpower for your toolkit. It allows you to build applications that can do things previously unimaginable. Understand natural language, recognize faces, recommend products, detect fraud, and automate complex tasks. This expands your problem-solving capabilities exponentially, opens up new career opportunities, and makes your applications smarter and more adaptive. Imagine adding predictive capabilities to your web app or intelligent automation to your back-end service. So, how do you get started? 1. Solidify Python. It's the lingua franca of AI, ML. 2. Understand data. AI models learn from data. So knowing how to clean, process. And understand data is crucial. 3. Grasp basic concepts. Start with supervised versus unsupervised learning and simple models. 4. Experiment with libraries. Dive into tools like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, or PyTorch. 5. Build projects. Just like learning any new language, the best way to learn AI is by building things, even small ones. Start by training a simple classification model. The journey begins with that first line of code. In summary, AI is the grand ambition of creating intelligent machines. Machine learning is the primary engine driving that ambition today, empowering machines to learn from data without explicit programming. For you, the developer, this means unlocking new possibilities to build smart, adaptive, and powerful applications. This is just the beginning. The world of AI and ML is vast and exciting, and I'm thrilled you're starting this journey with AI for developers. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.